Okay, we're inside this huge former communist convention center. It's in a pretty bad condition. It's hard to move in here. Absolutely amazing. Wow. Okay, the roof is like not the best anymore. We should be flying in here.
It's a good idea.
Why are we always in the mountains, in mountain locations?
It's not my fault.
Woo.
My task is to kill Toby's helicopter with the killer Angry Bird.
He's gonna kill his first!
No, that's not true. He has no chance.
Kommen Sie denn noch rein? Ich weiß auch nicht.
Absolutely amazing!
Do you see it? The black thing, it's not its eye, this is the eye, and this is a confirmed hit, guys!